Zines, short for magazines, are small booklets containing information on any topic of the author's choosing. The first zine is often traced back to 1930 by Science Correspondence Club in Chicago. It was called The Comet, and it started a long-lasting trend of sci-fi related zines. Later, the range of topics widened to include practically anything. In the 1970s and 80s, the main focus of zine culture became punk rock. The aesthetic, or look of these zines, embraced the DIY culture of the punk scene. In the 1990s, zines became focused on feminism as a response to the male-dominated punk scene of the 1980s, encouraging young girls and women to start their own band, make their own zine, and get their voices heard. By 1993, an estimated 40,000 zines were being published in North America alone. Today, zines are more diverse than ever. The rise of the internet has helped make the cost of production almost zero, making zines accessible to almost anyone. Okay, for today's project, you're going to need just 3 things: a sheet of blank paper, some scissors, and some coloring utensils. Now, this is going to require you to pay very close attention. If you need to pause or rewind the video, you can do that. It may take you a couple tries. First, fold your paper in half, hamburger way, and then fold it in half the opposite way. Make sure you have really creased edges. Now fold it in half once again. Again, making sure all your edges are very crisp. You can roll a pencil across them to get them really flat. So you should have 8 little rectangles. Now, going back to our original fold, we are going to cut halfway down the middle of that fold. If you are one of my younger students, please make sure you have an adult helping you with the scissors. Now we'll open our paper back up, and we have 8 rectangles with a slit in the middle of the paper. You're going to fold your paper hot dog ways, and you have a diamond shape cut out. You are going to push through as shown here. And fold your sides over as shown here. There you have it. You've made your own little booklet or zine. So now all that's left to do is decide what story you want to tell. For my zine, I decided that I wanted more people to learn how to grow their own food. So I made a simple zine showing how easy it is to grow something from a seed. Just add water and sun. What will your zine be about? It can be literally anything. Ice cream, cats, crossing the street, the perfect layup, washing your hands, tying your shoes, playing leapfrog, walking the dog, doing a back bend, jumping rope, cooking a hot dog, building a fire, catching a fish, recording a song, leaving a message, painting your